Hi guys, it's Sweet Tooth. Today we are going to be showing you two products, and this is going to be a challenge: which is the best, flash or the pink stuff. So we're going to try. The flash is going to be on that side at the right, the pink stuff is going to be on the left. So these two team players are going to face off against each other. Which is going to be the smell the nicest? Although you can't smell it, I will give you my honest opinion, and which performs the best. Okay, let's start off with flash. Flash has Febreze built in there. Next is Star Drops, the Miracle All-Purpose Cleaner. Alright. Spray value, more powerful, goes to the flash. Okay, so let's get on with the cleaning. We've got two separate scouring pads. So the flash foams up real nice. Alright. I'm going to do one tap with flash and the other one could be on that side. Okay, so now we'll start with the pink stuff. Note the pink stuff is not as nice smelling as the flash, although it feels very clinical and clean. We're now going to go past this and also a bit of tile and that as well. On this one, we've got some splatters here and also a little bit of discoloration. So spray factor goes to the flash and also the smell to the flash. Okay, so let's rinse off one side first. Taking that into account. Let's rinse off this side. The easiest to rinse off goes to the pink stuff. The flash, there's a lot of foam there to get rid of. Alright. So the next test we've got with these two giants is going to be, how does it polish? Okay, so what I'm going to do is get a cloth. It's brought all that up really, the flash has brought that up nice at the side. Now we're going to go back onto the pink stuff. So guys, that is the work done. Let's see which is the best shine from both products. So we're going to take the camera off, we're going to have a quick inspection. So flash, everything looks clean, polished, yes. On the side of the pink stuff, equally polished. The residue, the shine on both of them. But I must admit, looking at it as a general cleaner, I would say flash has the advantage because it just seems to have got off a lot more stubborn stains, although it was more difficult to get rid of. It just seems to be that much more powerful and just built for kitchen sinks and bathrooms. So I'd have to say, score out of 10, 7 for the pink, 10 for flash. Best smelling, less foamy, but point scoring, definitely the flash for me every time. Thanks for watching guys, this was the kitchen sink challenge and you have a good day. Bye for now.